Hi Patriya, this is Varun. We have received the samples from Basswood and studied the same in details with the factory people. I'll just record the samples we have received so you can also understand. We have received a total of 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 pieces are on the white color, 2 pieces are on the same color, and this piece is a different color. This one, there is no quality defect as such. It is just a side matching issue, which I will come back to later. On this color, firstly they have highlighted these grinning marks. Now as you can see from this picture as well, that this is a very dark warp and a light weft. In this we have seen, even in Warwick's project, that this sort of grinning gets highlighted because of the satin weave and the nature of the construction. At this stage, this was very much visible in the original development as well and was never highlighted out, and there's not much that we can do about this right now. If we go back to see in the sample, I'm sure it will be there also. The same thing has been highlighted here. I'm not sure why they have stuck a silver tape here, but once you see the video we can discuss once again for sure. And on this is the mark for side matching. I have realized the side matching is an issue. The usable width is about 5 centimeters less than the regular fabric, than the full width fabric. That we will discuss in the end. If the customer has a big problem, then we will of course replace the goods, but we would sincerely request the customer to use the goods for sampling if possible. Now the last article is this white color, which I guess has clearly been the most problematic one from the customer's point of view. First thing the customer has highlighted is a warp knot. Now, just to give you a background of this Patriya, this is as I told during Warwick's as well, we are using a different process in production. To make our fabrics look more silk-like and shiny, we are not using singed warp, which in effect gets us a little bit more breakages than usual. And breakages like this in a white-on-white construction will usually pass our quality inspection because we are only doing front-side inspection. This of course has been flagged as well by the customer, and we can accept it when we will be more careful in weaving this in the future. The second defect that they have pointed out is this, where essentially there is some amount of warp staining. Now this is a very faint mark, once again not very visible. The looms that we are using from Dornier do have these sort of lubricants that are a problem on a white-on-white construction, and we are handling it very carefully and cleaning it numerous times. Some amount of this would have to be accepted, as from a distance you will not be able to see it. But of course, if the customer is doing such microscopic inspection of the goods, then a white-on-white construction would never really work for the customer. And once again I will repeat, this would have been visible in the initial samples as well, and we would have to go back to the drawing board and check that. Last piece here has been marked by some floats, which is again a defect. We will accept the mistake in this one, and we will be more careful in highlighting this in the future. But once again I'll point out, Patriya, this is essentially would pass our quality inspection as on a white-on-white construction. Unless you really do a backside inspection or a backlight inspection, it doesn't really become visible. This often happens as a mechanical error on the jacquard, which is handling all of these yarns individually. Sometimes due to a power glitch, some of the yarns leave a lot more floats, which in effect creates very faint looseness of the warp. There is no defect in this, but because of the floats that you can see in the back, the warp becomes slightly loose and it leaves some amount of an impression on the fabric. This of course is a defect, and we will be more careful to avoid it in the future, but it's a mechanical defect that inherently would come, especially considering the erratic power supply that we have in India. But once again, on totality, we would see the defects that the customer has pointed out, especially in terms of staining and grinning, was something that would have been there in the initial development as well, is there in the shipment samples, and has also been highlighted in these samples. At this stage, it seems to me that the quality control from the customer's point of view is a lot stricter in the final production than what they have approved during the quality trials, and it's very difficult to match up to these standards. Regarding side matching, we realized this was woven on a loom which has slightly less usage. We will be careful and avoid this in the final production, of reproduction if required. but hope the customer will be able to reuse the same in the sampling. Kindly go through the video and give me a call and we will discuss once again. Thank you. Bye.